exciting things are on the horizon.
At Test Track, you can experience the exhilaration test driving a vehicle on the longest and fastest ride ever created for Walt Disney. Across the lagoon is World Showcase, where you'll find representatives from the host country, making this a truly international day. Some exciting new adventures around the world are coming to France, Canada, China, and the United Kingdom. Join us tonight at the lagoon to celebrate together during our night. There's even more for you to explore as you come around to the world of imagination and nature. Inside those glass pyramids,
unleash your spark and journey into imagination with Figment and experience your favorite short films like never before at the Disney Pixar Short Film Festival.
next is the land, where you can celebrate Earth's rich diversity. The land is also home to Moana, a free-flying adventure across the wonders around the world.
Here in the sea, you'll be able to meet some of your favorite undersea pals from Disney Pixar's Finding Nemo. We're approaching the Epcot Monorail station.